Hey everyone, Chance from Scanifly here. Check out this 3D model I generated on Scanifly. Looks great, right? Today I'm going to teach you how to capture photos with your Autel drone that'll produce a model as great as this one. The first step is to take a look at your drone's camera. Today I am using the Autel Evo 2 Pro 6K, but this applies to every drone. It's important to angle our camera at around 45 to 70 degrees. This is so our 3D model will include vertical features such as the facades of buildings, sides of vent pipes, and other potential shading obstructions. If we fly over a building with a camera facing directly down, we will not see those vertical features nearly as well, and your 3D model will have a melting or waterfall type look to it. While taking off, always be sure your drone is clear of any surrounding obstructions, including anything above it. For this example, we are using the Autel Explorer app to fly our drone. Keep in mind you can use your favorite app and your favorite drone just as long as the drone takes geotagged images. We are using the point of interest mode for this large residential site to ensure we fully capture the structure. If you are considering modeling a larger structure, such as a commercial building, consider using a rasterized flight instead, but remember to tilt your camera to capture those vertical features during the flight. For the Autel, point of interest mode can be almost entirely automated, which makes the process a breeze. Our goal is to orbit the site twice, once further away for the context flight and one closer for the detail flight. For this first context flight, we will fly back far enough to ensure that the entire site is in frame, including the facades and surrounding area. While flying, the drone will move around the point of interest at the defined radius and altitude with its nose pointed towards the middle. We recommend moving at around 2 miles per hour to give yourself enough time to collect images in one single revolution. Now we're going to start taking our photos. Our first flight around the property is what we call a context flight. We not only want to collect the building, but also the surrounding environment. This is especially important for our solar users who require nearby obstructions and trees to be included in their model to perform an accurate shade analysis. In this first context orbit, we collected 100 images capturing both the building and surrounding area. Here are some of the photos we took with the Autel Evo 2. Overlap is a term that describes how much a photo is similar to the photo that was previously taken. You'll notice there's a lot of overlap between our consecutive images. High photo overlap is important for creating a good 3D model. If you're flying at 2 miles per hour, take a photo every few seconds. Now that we've collected images around the entire building, it's time to fly closer to capture more structural details. You can see we are flying much closer to the building than before. This will give our model more clarity and realism. For this detail orbit, we took 78 images. So there you have it. We took 178 images, which is more than enough to create a 3D model. The best way to learn how to collect images is to go out there and do it firsthand. You'll continue getting better at taking these photos and understanding when it's appropriate to use certain flight modes. The most important things to remember are: tilt your camera angle to see vertical features, take at least 100 images with overlap, and keep your drone away from any obstructions. Please let us know if you need any help getting started, need advice on which drone to buy, or need help flying your drone. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.